Hello, Forever family. Today, I want to share with you a product that nourishes your skin with the ultimate moisturization. This is a long-time fan favorite, and it was previously known as Alpha E Factor, but it's getting an updated look and formula, and it's going to now be called Replenishing Skin Oil. Replenishing Skin Oil is a silicone-free fluid that helps combat environmental stressors while restoring moisture, supporting elasticity, and helping to minimize the appearance of aged-looking skin, all in a lightweight formula that glides on effortlessly. Environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays may damage skin and cause dryness. That's where Replenishing Skin Oil comes in. The antioxidant power of Replenishing Skin Oil is fueled by vitamin E, which pulls double duty by helping combat environmental assaults while promoting soft and radiant skin. This nourishing formula delivers another antioxidant, retinol palmitate, which may also help defend skin from those environmental assaults and help support aging gracefully. To hydrate dry or sensitive skin, borage seed oil provides high concentrations of essential fatty acids that act as natural enzyme remedies to restore moisture. Give your skin the nourishment it needs and support younger looking skin. Just a little bit of Replenishing Skin Oil goes a long way toward promoting your most hydrated skin with the same amazing scent you know and love. Replenishing Skin Oil nourishes and helps restore moisture. It helps combat environmental stressors. It contains a robust combination of antioxidants and botanicals, and it's great for all skin types. I hope you continue to have Replenishing Skin Oil as part of your skincare routine, and I look forward to hearing what you think of this legacy product. I sincerely wish you the best of success as you share Replenishing Skin Oil.